Guys, welcome to our channel Venkat FX Studio. Today we will create text reveal effect in After Effects. Text reveal. We are opening Adobe After Effects and we create a new composition name. Text reveal. I am giving composition name as text reveal. Preset social media landscape with 1920, height 1080 pixels, and here click on OK. Now we will import a video. Go to the import option, then file. I am importing a video 1, and click on import. Drag this video into here. And for now I am creating a layer for the text. Go to the layer option, new, then text. Select the text. Here the text layer is here, and select the text layer. I am typing Venkat FX Studio. Venkat FX Studio. For increasing the scale, go to the transform and scale it. Okay, then click this arrow. Now click the spacebar to play the video. Okay, I am stopping here. Okay, I am dragging the video where the subject is moving, and click on the text layer and click on the select tool, and here I am placing the text, and go to FX presets panel. Type the word typewriter, and here the typewriter is. Drag and drop to the text layer. Okay, then I am playing the video. Okay, this is too, because it is too fast, I am adjusting. Go to the text, and here animator 1, and click on range selector, and we have 2 keyframes here, and take the indicator bar to the keyframe, and click on the keyframe and move little more. Move this keyframe, and now move this keyframe to here 8 seconds, and we will try to play. Okay, it is fast. The text is too slow. and we are dragging the text to the back. We are dragging the keyframe to the back. Okay, then clicking on the indicator, drag the indicator to the back. I'm clicking the spacebar to play. The text is too fast. Drag the indicator. And again I am doing keyframe just little bit. Drag the keyframe just a little bit. Again I am playing the video. Again dragging the keyframe just a little bit forward. Again I am dragging the keyframe. We should adjust that. Again I am playing this. Just adjust the keyframe forward just for 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, for now. Okay, here you go. It has adjusted, and I will play this video. Guys, the text reveal effect, in just 2 clicks we have created the text reveal effect. Follow for more updates and subscribe our channel. And I am saving this, export and add to render queue. Here the option is click on render. It is rendering, it takes time. That's all for the video guys. Stay tuned for more updates.